Hello ladies and gentlemen, how are you? Welcome back with me, Kartina Abdul Ghani from AMB Academy, and I'm going to share with you one of a very nice tool to actually create a book cover. Yeah, alright, so let me share this to you so it will help, because we have so many people joining our program who are training providers, coach coordinators, content owners, and so on. So definitely you have your own book, or you on the way to do your own book, and a book has to have a cover. So I'm going to share you with a very simple online tool that both Windows device and also an Apple device can use it, because it's online. Okay, so in front of you, ladies and gentlemen, this is DIY book design. So the icon, the URL is diybookcovers.com/3D mockups. Okay, please pause the video and then you can retype that into your server, alright, into your browser. And I just realized that you cannot see it, so let me just copy that into a Word document. Yes, let me just put this biggest, yeah, alright. Okay, diybookcovers.com/3D mockups. Okay, just click, ladies and gentlemen, in the link that we have given in the members panel. Is already there. Okay, so you see you will have so many, even a smartphone cover, you can also put your face there. Alright, so let me, I want to do this. Let me put that in, and then I click next. I browse. Let me put my own image. Okay, where's Kartina images? Yeah, let me put something. I don't want that. Okay, let me just put. Okay, don't want to put that. Oh my god. Okay, hang on. Let me see. Let me just put the empty images. Yeah, this is teenified. Let me just put a teenified image. Okay, and upload. Yep, I click next. Okay, and I just click here, PNG. Okay, sometimes is okay, sometimes we have to do it twice, ladies and gentlemen. So training, so I'm going to put here smartphone. Okay, and let's go and check that out. No, it's in desktop training. Yeah, voila, that's me. Okay, or let's do a book as a promise. Okay, so what we need to do is let's go back. Right, so let's select this. Okay, and click next. Okay, do I want to use my image? Okay, never mind, we just use this. Click next, and let's see the book. Okay, save. Let's put here book cover, and let's find the book cover. Doesn't seem to come out properly. Let us just try and find again. Yeah, can you see that, ladies and gentlemen? Yeah, my book is ready. However, you see, this is, if I want to actually pull the EPG here, it will not be nice. Okay, so recommended is you put in an image that have colors behind it. Okay, so I'm still going to select that. I'm going to browse. Let me see, do I have something with colors yet? upload. Yeah. Alright, so let me just click next. Okay, and I click PNG. Is it saving? Yeah, okay, save. Put here book cover 2. Yeah, so this is much more better looking, because then we have that colors and we can actually use transparency and pull that out. So this is, I just like this tool, ladies and gentlemen. Makes it easy for us to create a book cover. But at the end of the day, this image, use EPG and put in your name, book title, and so on. So that will make your book cover much more nicer and more professional. So with that, ladies and gentlemen, thank you so much. All the best.